Hello everyone, this is our snowstorm in New Bern, North Carolina. This is what we've got so far. If you've been following me and knew that someone else demolished our backyard, all of that in the background past the fence is the brick to put up a new fireplace for us. So obviously with the weather they can't be working, but they brought it all here, and they think they want to start Monday, but it's Saturday, so I don't think they're starting on Monday. However, that's okay. The progress is happening, and I will have another video for my backyard renovation after this snowstorm. So here we go. This is what we got. I don't think it's that deep. I mean, it's hard to tell with the wind blowing, but maybe an inch and a half for now. Oh, look, all my little cups are full. My rain chain cups are full. How many inches would that be? 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. So maybe we've gotten 3 inches. But this is our backyard. It just feels so serene, and I mean, aside from being cold, it feels so serene and unblemished by people walking and, and all of that. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Like, share, subscribe, and if you have that hype button, please hype my videos. I so desperately need it. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.